Battery poles are welded by connectors, forming series and parallel circuits to build battery modules. The structure of battery module determines the performance and safety of battery pack. Due to the high thermal conductivity and the high laser reflectivity of aluminum connectors, the high-power laser is required for welding. At ScannerOptics High-Power Welding Laboratory, by adjusting laser power, welding speed and other parameters, we effectively reduce welding defects such as cracks, pore formation, and blowholes, while ensuring both battery safety and production efficiency.